Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper of your Android device. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, you have to hold on the screen of your phone. So I'm gonna hold it and you will see an interface like this. And from here, you will get an option wallpaper. Normally choose that option. And from here, you can choose a wallpaper for your phone. For example, I'm choosing it and clicking on this apply button. And either you can choose it only for home screen or for both home and lock screen. So I'm choosing it for home screen only. And now if I check this, here you can see that my wallpaper has been changed. On the other hand, there is another option, and that's first of all, you have to go to the settings, and then normally you have to choose wallpapers and style, and from here choose wallpaper, and after then click on this apply button. Same process, and that's it. You have successfully changed your wallpaper on your Android device. If this helps, please subscribe this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.